share something powerful that most business owners overlook. Adding a simple calculator to your website can completely change how people understand your value. A calculator isn't just a cute tool, it's an interactive experience that helps your visitors see real numbers about their situation, how much time they could save, how much money they could earn, or what package is best for them. Businesses love calculators because they increase leads, they build trust, and they make decision-making easier. Instead of guessing, your customer gets instant clarity, and clarity turns into confidence, and confidence turns into sales. A calculator also sets you apart from your competitors. Most websites only give information, but a calculator shows value in a way that's personal, engaging, and memorable. It reduces repetitive questions, educates the client, and keeps them on your site longer, all of which helps your business grow. So whether you're in consulting, wellness, real estate, beauty, coaching, or tech, adding a calculator is one of the easiest ways to elevate your website and help your clients make better decisions faster. And if you're in my AI crew, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own calculator step by step, even if you're not techie at all. Inside the community, you'll get my full walkthrough on how to design it, customize it, and embed it right onto your website. Once you see how simple it is, you'll be able to create calculators for your own business, or even as a service for your clients. So come on inside my AI crew and watch the full tutorial. You're going to be amazed at how easy and profitable this skill can be.